chilling and losing my focus, but I just been quietly running it up. Bitch, you be acting so gangster, but when I get at the floor, mama, I'm calling you bluff. No, I be dreaming about having a fairy tale life, but baby, I need me a thug. He just gonna ride for me.
Hey guys, it's your girl Fatima Chandel. Welcome back to my channel. Today is January 1st, 2023. And I'm making this video because I am sitting and I am reflecting and I am thinking and I am wondering what has stopped me in the past and also what is going to motivate me in the future. So I started my YouTube years ago and I never posted on this channel until last year. Posted a few videos and I wasn't consistent because I think I was worried, I was fearful. I was thinking like, what if no one watches? But then I thought, even if one person watch, it's still a win. Even if 10 people watch, it's still a win. Because at the end of the day, I'm making content that I love to make. So at the end of the day, whoever watches is gonna be a plus, whether it's one person or 100,000 people. Let's just be honest. I've been through a lot, and I always say all of my struggles shaped me into who I am today. And I feel like with YouTube has given people a platform to kind of just like be themselves openly with judgment and without judgment. You get what I'm saying? Like, but for me, I just feel like YouTube is an outlet, and it's like, if you're just posting because it's what you love to do, then do it. You may not always get the response that you want, and you may not always get the love that you want, but you have to take that plunge, you have to take that jump, you have to take that step if you want to see where it can take you, or if you want to challenge yourself. To some people, YouTube is a hobby, and to some people, YouTube is a job. But at the end of the day, for me, YouTube is an outlet. So instead of me being fearful and wondering what's gonna be, is it gonna be popular, is somebody going to watch it, I'm gonna take the plunge. So this is my first video of 2023, and although I've posted a few videos last year, I'm gonna say this is my start. Today, right here, right now, this is my start. This is where I'm going to begin. Getting things set up and organized so that way I can have a good setup for you guys. But at the end of the day, I'm not focused on that. It's whenever I feel something, I'm gonna post something. Whenever I'm doing something, I'm going to post. When it feels right, I'm going to post. When it feels wrong, I'm going to post. Because at the end of the day, I just feel like it's not going to happen if I keep procrastinating. So today, January 1st, 2023, and it is 1:30 a.m. So we are an hour and 30 minutes into the new year, and I am sitting down making this video. So at this point, I'm going to give you an introduction to me. My name is Fatima Chandel. I have two beautiful baby boys, 1'9", 1'2". I would describe myself as just a free spirit. I like to have a good time. Most people would describe me as the life of the party. I don't care what I'm going through. I am going to make whoever is around me happy and laugh. I used to be a people pleaser. I think I guess you can use that term. I'm no longer that. I live in Pennsylvania, and I'm very much trying to get back to New York because Pennsylvania is just a little bit too slow for me. I feel like here I'm not gonna reach my full potential because this is not a glamorous state. And I don't mean that in a bad way, but it's not a glamorous state. So I am right now trying to move back to New York. I be having moments where it's like, man, if you would have started when you originally wanted to start, where would you be right now? So that's another reason why I'm not hesitating anymore, because it's like, you would have probably been such and such subscribers in, or such and such videos in, or if you would have started and just stopped moving out of fear, stop procrastinating, stop worrying, stop putting too much thought into something. If it's something you want to do it, right? I watched Dollface lyric video today, and I was just like, damn, like everything she's saying it really resonates with me, because it's everything that I was doing, like writing. Like she was like, don't write it down, like, and save it for later, because that's what I would do. I would write down all these thoughts, all these ideas, and they would just sit in a notebook. Like when she said that, I was like, bro, that's really me. Like, got these crazy ideas, and when I've thought of things, and then I probably actually done it, but because, you know, I'm minute, people overlook it, and then somebody else does it, and it's like a big deal. Or like, I'd be like, dang, I should do this, or I write something down, and then somebody will do it, and it'll be like, you had an idea similar to that. Had you not played, that could have possibly been you. But then I say to myself, it wasn't supposed to be you. That wasn't supposed to be your thing. That wasn't supposed to be your time. It's not your time. Your time is your time, and your thing is your thing. So if it didn't happen at that moment, it's because that was not for you. So it's like, okay, be patient. But in order for you to receive what you're asking for, or to receive what you want, you still have to put in the work. So you can't just sit back and wait and say, oh, I'm gonna be patient and wait for it. No, you still have to work towards getting it. You still have to put in the effort, put in the work. So it's like, I'm never gonna see the results I want unless I put in the work. That's like going to the gym. I'm not gonna get that perfect body if I don't put in the work. Either that or go under the knife. You know what I'm saying? Like, you have to do something in order to accomplish that goal, or in order to become that better you. That's just not gonna happen overnight. You're not gonna go to sleep and wake up and you're wealthy. You're not gonna go to sleep and wake up and you're just in the best shape of your life. Like, everything requires work. So at this stage, I'm like, you gotta make this happen, because only you can. Like, you can want something, but if you don't go after it, you're not going to get it. So that's where I am. Like I said, I've posted 2 videos before, but this is my fresh start. This is my first video, and there will be many more to follow, because I'm already in the mindset that's what's going to happen. I'm not gonna keep telling myself, oh, you're gonna do it, or you can't do it because it is. You can't do it because you don't have that. Like, I don't have my setup right here all the way together, but I was like, hey, grab your blanket, sit on the floor, make it happen. Because if you constantly make excuses as to why you can't do it, you're never gonna do it. So I was like, you know, grab your drink, grab your little blanket, and sit on the floor and make a video that's going to speak about where you are at this moment. Like, I literally wrote on Lyric's post, and I was just saying how I felt in that moment. And it was, and the thing is that she didn't know I needed this. You know what I mean? And I love this. I love this. When females I've never encountered, never met, support me. I posted a comment on their video, and it was just saying how her video was resonating with me, and it was just this beautiful, I guess she subscribed to Lyric, but she's a YouTuber as well, and her name is She Who Succeeds. She wrote a comment to me, and then she subscribed to my channel, and I felt like, wow, if that's not a sign, then I don't know what is, because I don't know her from a can of paint. And she took out the time to not only read my comment, but to go to my page and to subscribe. So I subscribed right back, because support who supports you. You understand? So that made me feel good, and that was just another like, okay, let's go. You get what I'm saying? So for me, I'm just taking the little signs and I'm like, okay, and pushing. Because of course I have people in my corner and people in my life who've always said, do it, you can do this, this is for you, blah, blah, blah. But sometimes you feel like they have to say that, you know what I mean? So when a stranger says it, it's kind of like, okay, so maybe it is true. Maybe they're not just saying that because I'm their daughter or their sister or their friend. They really think I can do this, you know what I mean? So I just feel like this year, 2023, the top of the year, I'm going to take the smallest necessary steps to becoming who I want to become, to becoming a better me, to becoming a more successful me, to becoming a better mom to my kids, becoming a better person in general. And like I said, I'm going to set short-term goals and I'm going to tackle those first. The long-term goals and what I expect from this channel or what I expect from myself, they matter, but I'm gonna focus on the short-term goals right now because I feel like they're more attainable. So yeah, you're gonna see a lot more of me. I'm excited. I can honestly say I'm really excited because the things that are going, my head is like, it's like this, like it's just turning, the wheels are turning because I know what I am capable of. I know what I can do if I put my mind to it and really stick to it. So it's like, that's the challenge for me. The challenge for me is not to procrastinate. The challenge for me is not to say I can't do this because I don't have that. The challenge for me is not to say who's gonna watch or how many people's gonna watch or is it gonna be worth posting. That is the challenge for me. To not worry, but to do, right? To not think, but to do. To not down myself or minimize what I'm capable of out of fear of the masses. So yeah, we are in 2023 and we're tackling 2023. We're taking 2023 by storm. Do you hear me? This is the first video of the year. It's going out on the first day of the year. And I am not coming to play with y'all. If you're looking for somebody to play with you, this ain't the channel. Because it's not the year to play. This is the year to come for everything you've ever wanted. This is the year to say, this is mine. This year is for me. This year is personal. So I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy what I have in store for you guys because it's going to be a beautiful ride. I promise you that. Cheers to the new year.